Our first award in response to COVID in the silver category goes to Kozhikode Municipal Corporation for Community Kitchen, Dr. Beena Philip, Mayor. We have Kozhikode with us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
We did not see your video. Kindly switch on your video.
Sir, I can't start the video, sir, because the host has stopped it.
No, the video is starting.
Okay, okay.
We can see you.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Abhishek Agarwal, President, Judge India Solutions Private Limited for inspirational performance in response to COVID. Silver. Mr. Agarwal.
No, thank you, Dr. Gulsharan. I appreciate your consideration and the journey, for these awards. So thanks a lot. Thanks to the entire team.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dr. Parvati Devi, Superintendent, Government Ayurveda Research Institute for Mental Disease, Kottakkal, for Susmurtham. Silver in Health. Dr. Parvati. We have Dr. Parvati with us.
Yes,
Dr. Bhagwant Rao Patil, Chief Executive Officer from Zilla Parishad Jalgaon for National Pension Scheme account on your screen. Silver in digital economy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thawaseelam, he is Deputy Commissioner from District Administration Mon in Nagaland. The response to COVID silver goes to him.
Yes, I heard your panel in the morning.
Thank you, Dr. Gulsharan. Thank you, Sumit sir. It's been an honor and a pleasure for us to accept this award. Greatly endorses our effect and our efforts, and it makes us strive more to do better as the days goes by. Thank you so much, everyone.
Congratulations. God's blessings be added to your work.
Thank you.
Dr. Mr. V.R. Sutapalli, Collector and District Magistrate from Mahbub Nagar, Computerization and Digitization of Record Room. Silver in
Sir, thank you very much, sir. It's an honor to receive this award. Thank you.
Congratulations. Mr. Ling Raj Panda, State Project Director from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalay Sangathan for Student Skills. Silver in skill category.
Thank you so much. Am I visible?
No, your video is not.
Thank you so much for recognizing Odisha and recognizing our efforts. I believe I'm visible now.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us and congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Ms. Shailaja Ramayar, Commissioner of Handlooms and Textiles, 40% input subsidy linked wage compensation scheme from Department of Handlooms and Textiles, Telangana. Silver in governance.
Thank you, Dr. Gulsharan. This is a real privilege for us. And I hope that this recognition will help us to do better, and future projects in the handloom and textile sector will get further awards. Thank you once again for the privilege. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sangli Miraj and Kukwad Municipal Corporation for Disaster Management Center, Mr. Nitin Kapadnis, Commissioner, Silver in Governance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We are really fortunate to have this award. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Dr. Hanif Qureshi, Director General, New and Renewable Energy Department, Haryana and Hareda, for Solar Water Pumping Program, Gold in Technology.
Thank you, Dr. Gurdarshan. On the behalf of the Hareda Agency of Haryana, we thank the Scotch Award Committee for this. And this will give us a boost to further renew our efforts in promoting renewable energy in Haryana. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Dr. Satish Chandra, Director CRRI, for utilization of basic oxygen furnace steel slag of Tata Steel Jamshedpur in road construction, environment and sustainability, gold, CSIR, Central Road Research Institute.
On behalf of CSIR Central Road Research Institute, I would like to extend our sincere thanks to Mr. Samir Kochar, Dr. Gursaran and entire Scotch team for considering this project for prestigious Scotch Award. It really boosts up our will boost up our enthusiasm to develop this technology further for the larger utilization of slag as alternate of natural aggregate in road construction work. Thank you very much for entire Scotch team. Thank you.
Congratulations. Dr. M.V. Reddy, Collector and District Magistrate from Kotagudam for e-governance, gold in governance.
Thank you, Gurcharan ji, and my humble thanks to Samir ji and all Scotch team for recognition of our work, and this keeps our team go further strongly in this agency district. Thank you all.
Congratulations to you, Dr. Reddy.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Chandra Vanu Som, Additional Chief Secretary, Gujarat, for Mobile to Sports Play at Home, Response to COVID, Gold.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Sports, Youth and Cultural Activities Department, Government of Gujarat, I would like to thank Mr. Samir Kochar, Chairman, Dr. Gurucharan, and the entire Scotch group for recognizing our work and helping us to spread the word about mobile to sports play at home. Thank you very much.
Well, congratulations to you, Mr. So. This brings us to the end of the announcement of Scotch Awards for the current round. We have Mr. Kochar with us. May I now have the pleasure of inviting him to say a few words.
Well, it's a pleasure as always. You know, things are extremely difficult around us. And in those circumstances, all of you are keeping the flag of the country flying high, not leaving your post, doing your job, and also joining us for this little celebration. These celebrations are important because there's hardly any good news around us. The second thing is that whatever you do in your area is something that is very important for somebody else to take note of and learn from in their area. And hopefully they will also be able to respond as well as you have been able to do. So I'm very grateful to you. I know it's a very busy time for everybody for having taken the time out and joining us. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Kochar, for this a very sweet message. It's definitely going to encourage a whole lot of people to continue to perform. Before we leave, may I request everyone to kindly switch on your cameras so that we take one group photograph. Please, everyone, switch on your cameras. Yeah. And look into the camera so that we capture a nice shot. We'll take one more, and that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you all for joining us for the 73rd SKOCH Summit on Connected Government. We will keep coming back to you and continue to engage, try and learn more from you, try and encourage more of you so that you submit your projects, your successes for assessments, which are nationally benchmarked and recognized, and also adds to the score on the SKOCH Governance SKOCH Annual Governance Index and the scorecard. And the current scorecard, which is what we released very recently, is there on our website for you to see as to where your how your state is faring. It's there on inclusion.in, www.inclusion.in. You can take a look at that. We are open to your feedback. Kindly do stay in touch with us, and I wish you all the best and stay safe. Thank you.